How to fix voice cracking on Zoom meeting app. Problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, here first of all, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, if you're facing this problem, if the voice is cracking, or after updating your Zoom app your voice has been cracked, so what you need to do here, you have to just ZWM Zoom. So here you can see this is the Zoom application. So what you need to do to fix this problem, first of all, you have to make sure that you uninstall your Zoom application once. That will be the latest version of Zoom. You have to uninstall the latest version of Zoom application. So let me just show you how you can do this. You have to uninstall the Zoom application. So after uninstalling the latest version of Zoom application, what you need to do, you have to go to the Chrome browser or any of your browsers, so to get the all version of Zoom, so that your voice won't be cracked. So guys, let me just go to Zoom here, and then Chrome here, and then you have to search for apk mirror.com. Okay, so here this type of interface will pop up on your screen. You can see here. So here what you have to do, simply you just need to search here Zoom CLOU, the cloud meeting. So after this you have to click on search bar option. You can see here you will find all the latest and the oldest version of Zoom. You can see here the version 5.2.44. this is the latest version, and the old version is 5.242, and you can see here 5.1.2. so you can download any of the version. You can see here on the bottom you'll find lots of version. So let me just go for this 5.1.286, this third one. So let me just click on this here. You have to skip the ads here. You can see here this type of interface will pop up. You have to scroll down here. So here on the screen you can see here download chart option will be there. So guys, make sure that you click on this 500122. Just simply click here, and then this type of interface will pop up on your screen. So you have to scroll down once again, and then let me just show you what you have to do. You'll find an option download APK. So simply click on this download APK option, and then here you can see click on OK, and then your Zoom is been downloading. You can see here. So let me just show you. And also if you download the oldest version of Zoom, then your cracking problem will not be there on the Zoom. I am 110% sure, because when you update the Zoom, your cracking problem will be available on your phone. So you can get this old version. How to get this old version Zoom application on the on your phone. So this is very pretty simple and easiest step to fix the problem. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. So you can just click on this 3 days you just click here and then click on install option, and then it's done. So you will get this Zoom application on your phone. You can sign in and you can use this. So I hope this video will absolutely help you out. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day.